Hi guys, it's Dermot from Talbot Automatic Doors here. Here from the Sydney Home Show, and just here to show you some of our cool new products. So if you want to take a look, this is our telescopic sliding gate. So using a remote like this, all we do is press to open. And these are designed to fit in properties where you don't have that much space to one side. So you can see the stacking panels all fold away, giving you maximum opening size for maybe a narrower property. So these come in a range of different styles. We can do aluminium, timber finishes, all powder coated, with a cool little sliding gate motor which has its own LED lights that come on when you activate the gate. So we can do these in between 1 to 3 different panels, and it's a unique solution for those properties with lacking a bit of space on the side. If we come over here, we've got our automatic swing door. Now this can be retrofit to any existing swing door. It's a simple unit, can be DIY installed or installed by a professional contractor. And these come with a range of simple remote activation units like that, or a keypad, hundreds of different options on something like that. If we want to go over this side, we've got our sliding garage door. So these are designed for any double garage where you're limited for space. The mechanism itself fits in within 150 mil, hanging from the top of the unit. You can obviously open one side, slide, allows you to get a car in and out. Nice quiet unit, nice seals on it, it's not interrupting. And then allows you to actually open up, once you've gone through, open up your other side and get your car in and out. Moving over, we've got our Tracklist Bifold gates. So this gate, no track on the floor whatsoever. Beautiful again for those properties a little bit smaller, shorter driveway where you need to park a car. And this allows us to basically fold up in half the size of a normal swing gate and then still get the same opening size. So again, properties don't have the depth in them, you need to park a car, these are a perfect solution like that. Powder coat finish, as I said, aluminium, timber, we can do it all. Just come over to Talbot Auto Doors at the Home Show tomorrow and have a look. Thanks.